Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today I'm going to be smoking a Boston butt on my smoker and then finishing it in the slow cooker. So I don't have enough time today to do the whole Boston butt low and slow on the smoker. So what I'm going to do, give it about 4 or 5 hours to develop that bark on the outside, get all that smoke that it can take inside, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna put it inside my Ninja Foodi, use the slow cooker function, and just let it run low and slow for the rest of the day while I go out and run errands. And when we come back, we'll have some delicious pulled pork for our tacos, because of course it's Taco Tuesday. Stay tuned, see how I make this. Macarena board. So seasonings that I'm using today is hot and spicy jerk marinade as the base on the pulled pork. That's the wet marinade that is slathered all over that. And then on top of that, all I got is some Booyah Reggae spice Jamaican seasoning. Those are just the two seasonings that I'm using to develop that bark and get that really great texture. Can't wait to, taste those flavors. This pulled pork is gonna have a bit of a spice kick to it, but it's gonna be so good. Stay tuned. So right now this is 1 hour in and just starting to get a little bit of color on there. Right now we're just waiting for about 4 or 5 hours, get an internal temperature of about 160, and then we can go ahead and wrap it. I can go run my errands, and that's really the aim of this today, to do the Boston butt halfway on the grill and finish it in the Ninja Foodi. So right now it's been 3 hours since I have had this Boston butt on the smoker. Right now we're gonna look at it, see how the bark is looking. I don't think it's ready to wrap yet, but what I'm gonna do is check the temp, see what it's like. Sometimes the fire could surprise you. So let's see what's up. Beautiful color on the outside, but look at that Reggae spice rub. That allspice, those pepper flakes, those thyme leaves. So beautiful. No burning, just low and slow, getting it where we need it to be. All right, now I'm gonna check and see what the internal is looking like. So about 135, still good. The goal was to let it go for 5 hours. It's been just 3. So seems like I'm gonna be pretty much on target. But yeah, after 3 hours, an internal of 135, and we are looking good, guys. So right now, guys, it's been 5 hours. It's midday right now. Been going at it since 7 a.m. So right now we're gonna look at the pork butt and just show you guys what it's looking like. Go. So that beautiful bark on the outside. Right now I'm gonna check the temp, and checking the temp at this time is really just a formality. Looking at it, the outside looks good. There's, you know, you're not gonna get the outside bark much better than this. So I'm just, you know, trying to see what the temp is looking like. You know, saying 149. Over here, 151. $156. So pretty much the it's 156 right now, internal temperature. The pork is cooked. You know, it doesn't need any more work. What we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna put it in the Ninja Foodi, put it on slow, and let it run for about another 3 or so hours. Wrap it in foil just like I would if I'm cooking it on the smoker. Let it go on that medium slow cook feature on the Ninja Foodi, and later on we'll check it and we'll see how this tender, juicy pulled pork does for some tacos. Alright, so right now my pork butt locked in the Ninja Foodi on that slow cooker function. Put it for 4 hours. So after 4 hours, we're gonna check it. You guys are gonna get to see what it looks like. I'm looking for an internal temperature between 195 and 205. Anywhere in between that window, we're gonna have some delicious pulled pork. Can't wait to see what's sweating it in that foil. I'm not putting any juices, no sauce, no nothing on it, because it's for tacos, so you want the taco flavors of, you know, all your toppings and everything to come through, so you don't want to overpower the meat too much in the beginning. So right now, 4 hours time, we're gonna check it out. See you guys later. So using the slow cooker function, this is not really getting up to the temp that I want. It's hit stall. So what I'm gonna do is use these juices that are in here and do a pressure cook. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Alright. So it looks good. And you know it's not ready because it's not falling off the bone right there. So right here I have a cup of hot water. I'm going to add a little bit of the Reggae spice to it just to make sure that it keeps some good flavor in there. Just one extra cup of water, and then I'm going to pressure cook this for about an hour, and then we'll come back and check this in 1 hour. So right now, guys, I pressure cooked this for 45 minutes. Natural pressure release for 10 minutes. Oh, it feels so tender. I think this is it. Oh, there it is. 199, 201 internal. So a little bit disappointing on the slow cooker option with the Ninja Foodi, but came right back and saved the day with the pressure cook. Did that for 45 minutes, and here we are. Our pulled pork is done. I'm going to show you guys how I pull this apart and see how it tastes. Alright everyone, this cook is finally done. What I did was smoke this pork butt for 6 hours, 5 hours, and then after that I put it in the Ninja Foodi on the slow cooker function. A little bit disappointing there. The meat hit a stall at about 175, wouldn't really move. So what I did, just add 1 cup of liquid to what was already sweated in there, and then pressure cooked it for 45 minutes. That took the temp right up to 205 and 200 all over the meat. And so that was good. We were able to get that off, pull it, make some pulled pork, and it's Taco Tuesday. So guess what we got? Pulled pork taco. So yeah. Oh man. Perfectly pulled for taco meat. Use the Reggae spice, hot and spicy, and the Reggae spice Booyah. Those were the only 2 seasonings that I used on this butt today, and it's kicking. I'm going to show you the steps and ingredients that I used down below. I'm also going to link the Reggae spice list, the Ninja Foodi list, and the grill list. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.